सर, काल जो पांडुरंग मडकयकारान स्टेटमेंट केला, गंभीर आरोप केला आपल्याच गव्हर्मेंटाचेर, तेजेर तुमी कितें म्हणपाक सोदता?
एक बरें म्हणणें घरचो अहेर आतां दी आउटबस्ट ऑफ एक्स मिनिस्टर पांडुरंग मडकयकर, I just watched a video, is a gift that the BJP cannot accept nor can it reject. We have time and over again आमी a nexus corruption we have exposed it. We have exposed it in the house, in press conferences, with thousands of crores have been swindled by this corrupt Bhrasht Jumla party. आता Pandurang Madkekar is known for high energy levels, also in corruption and also in other fields. And basically, I do not want to comment personally on his views, but they are very, very serious. Who is this minister involved taking bribes, involved in corruption? This Pandurang Madkekar has to first name and file a police complaint. He setting on file na. Name him, go to the police station, file a police complaint. This is not new in the BJP. And today, MLAs, ministers, all have been vocal about the corruptions done by the BJP, and the Chief Minister cannot just ignore the press. The Chief Minister has to come out with a statement, with the clarification, because it is a serious charge that their party colleague has alleged. Ani heजेर inquiry जावपाकूच जाय. In the past, in the House also, there are ministers who are now ministers. Babus also leveled several charges of corruption. Several other MLAs, ministers have alleged charges of corruption. So this shows that this should not be basically taken lightly. And I demand that this particular allegation that Pandurang Madkekar has done has to be seriously looked into. The Chief Minister, being the head of the cabinet ministers, has to give a statement. And I believe silence around fight na हेजेर एक केस जावपाक जाय, एक इन्क्वायरी जावपाक.
तुमकां दिसता सीएम करतलो अशें? तुमी इतले फावटी चार्जीस लायले बट सीएम खंयच दिसना.
अरे तर मागीर सीएम कोना जाल्यार मागीर सगळे बाराबूर आहाय महेश दिसना तुमकां दिसना तो कित्याक कोना? इट्स अ व्हेरी सिरियस एलिगेशन. Corruption to the extent of lakhs of rupees. He says he went and gave that ofsa मनशा कडेन, PA कडेन, आनी कितें. This is absolutely a very, very serious matter. It is something that the BJP has been known for doing it. The entire cabinet ministers are involved because this is just loot maar sarkar. Loot marid hai from wherever way they want, and basically creating unnecessary issues to divide people and divert the attention of the people.
येता सेशनान बी तुमी विशय कितें?
No, 100% सेशनाचे जेन्ना उलयतना we are confident की जे 3 दिसा सेशन आहा. But I am telling to your medium that it will be something that we will put the government on the mat at another level. Because ज्या पद्धतीन they do not want to face the opposition. But whatever limited resources and chances that we get in the coming assembly session, we will put them on the mat. Take it from me.
सेकंड इश्यू आता म्हटल्यार लॉ अँड ऑर्डर पयस जाल्यार नाजाल्यार खापराच्या दिवसांचे सरकार आयकपाक रेडी नाशिल्लें लोकांचे. सो तुमचे कितें व्ह्यूज आसा?
कितें आहा, एज आय सेड, हे इश्यू मरे रॅन्डम क्रिएट कोताय लोकांगेलें अटेन्शन डायवर्ट करपाक, धर्मामध्ये, जातीमध्ये फूट घालपाक. हे बीजेपीची DNA. दे वॉन्ट टू डिवायड द पीपल. आमी क्रिस्तांव जावं, हिंदू भाव जावं, मुस्लीम भाव, गोंयकारपण आमी सदांच राखलेलें आहा. But the main communal agenda and the right-wing outfits, they use them at the right place at the right time to divert the attention. You look at it, whenever there is an issue regarding law and order today, you look, oite I think कोण नागडे भोंवताय, oite म्हापशा हुई गेल्या मार्केटान फॉरेनर कोण भोंवताय, गांजा, drugs, accidents. The recent episode also of shifting this particular Devasthan. All these things, when the thing is on stilts, why was it required? Why were people assured that nothing would be done? Overnight, they gele, NGO halle, Amit Patkar was also on the field. And next day, early morning in the early hours, they did this. ही कर्मां तेंगेली म्हाका दिसता तांकां फारीक करूंक पडटली. आय एम क्वायट कॉन्फिडंट दॅट the BJP has no answer. So they are basically creating the issues from running away from the failing law and order situation, running away from the unemployment issues, running away from the corruption issue. So this is this government, this is their art, and they are using the right-wing outfits.
You remember, suppose a complaint has been not been filed, will Congress will take a so much action and file the complaint?
See, Congress suo motu has normally been taken either by court. Congress, I believe the party president has taken notice. We are telling her through the medium of the press that basically Pandurang Madkekar should first file a complaint. Who is this minister? File a complaint against him. Who is involved in corruption? He is a high energy level individual. So he should file a complaint rather than also trying to create party ticket. And my president in the past Chennaiतले एलिगेशन हे सगळे घरांतुल्यान एक्सप्लेनेशन दितात. सो हे घरांतुलें करप्शन जे आपण इफ पांडुरंग मडकेकर doesn't take action, I am confident that the Congress party will take the right step.